When you find out to let loose the magic of the regulation of destination, you become able to utilize it in all significant elements of life, including pursuing your wellness goals. Whether you're yearning to drop weight, enter the best form, enhance your overall health, or get over persistent health law of attraction for wellness concern, there are specific symptom tools that you can use to achieve your wanted health and wellness condition. Below is exactly how to use the law of wellness for ideal health. To achieve the law of attraction for wellness. Setting your wellness goals while utilizing the law of attraction for wellness, it is essential not to make your ultimate health goal a general statement like "I intend to eat a healthy diet" or "I want to obtain lean." It's a typical blunder lots of people make, and it is a universal law. Establishing a health objective is quite encouraging. When you established a certain health goal, it helps you to direct your efforts in areas of your health and wellness you wish to change. Establish measurable health and wellness objectives. As an example, instead of making getting in shape your goal, usage declarations like signing up with the health club and exercising 4 days a week for the following 3 months. Set benchmark goals together with a routine for achieving them. Additionally, consider some incentives you are intending to offer on your own when you reach each objective. Ensure your goals are practical, otherwise, your plans may dissuade you when you fall short to make the preferred development. You might take into consideration using a vision board to supercharge your motivation. A vision board is a piece of poster board or corkboard that contains a collection of words and also pictures that evoke the feelings you associate with the important things you desire to achieve. You can use some cut-out pictures, inspiring quotes, as well as images that represent your goal. As an example, in your vision board, you can add images of some stars with the level of physical fitness that you aspire to achieve. Put the board somewhere you can see it every day, and also reserve a couple of minutes on a daily basis to just consider the board. Using mental imagery and affirmations. Mental imagery, typically referred to as visualization, is a key part of the legislation of destination success. Practicing mental imagery in the form of reflection will generate a pressure of power that will certainly draw right into your life the changes you need to achieve your health goal. You can utilize guided imagery for boosting different elements of your wellness. Take a seat for a number of minutes in a peaceful area. Close your eyes as well as take a couple of deep breaths. Deep breathing will certainly relax your mind. Currently, imagine on your own sitting in a movie theater. Activate the screen by pressing a switch on the armrest of your seat. The flicks start. You're the primary character of the movie. Strongly envision every small detail. Bring color and also audio. Now push the button on the armrest that opens up a door in the screen and lets you enter into the flick. Get off your chair. Walk up to the display as well as enter into the flick. If your goal is to cut high-calorie convenience foods from your diet as well as eat healthily, visualize a circumstance that makes you vulnerable to yearnings. As an example, you're home alone with all your favorite high-calorie foods before you. Think of the shade and also the tasty aromas coming from the foods. Enable the craving to establish, do not combat it. Currently, imagine on your own placing those foods away and eating a healthy salad. Bring sensory homes like shade, smell, and also preference. Feel that you have a solid metabolic system and the food you are eating assists your muscle development and keeps your body healthy and fit. Consume with web content, delight in the food with all your senses. Bear in mind you're not watching a movie. You remain in the flick. For that reason, envision on your own as a first individual. If your objective is to get in shape, the picture on your own in the health club. Envision the atmosphere of your gym and the instruments like shelves of pinheads, risks of iron plates, as well as rows of machines. Visualize on your own doing each exercise, every set and every rep. Feel your lean body as well as tight skin. The remarkable visualize implementation. Really feel the sweat, the burn in your muscles, the rate of your breathing, the way weights feel in your grips. Your body will visualize as gradually transforming into the perfect shape as you are performing the exercises. Now stand in front of a mirror. You're looking fit and stunning with your suitable weight. Admire your new look as well as repeat. The adhering to affirmations, love and accept myself, all it requires to make favorable modifications in my life, sound in mind, body as well as spirit. Constantly press via the pain every day, obtaining closer to attaining my optimal body. Spontaneously release the need to consume foods that misbehave for my body. Imagine my suitable body as well as act to make it take place certain in my body. Finish up. Altogether, if you intend to make use of the energy of attraction to achieve preferred fitness, it will be an excellent concept to invest even more time thinking about health and wellness and less time considering illness and also an undesirable way of living. The regulation of attraction reacts to your ideas.